Yo, what's going on, everybody? My name is Dylan. You guys are chilling with Dylan, and today we got a topic to talk about. We're going to talk about the Air Jordan 4 Bred Reimagined. Alrighty guys, so yes, we are here to talk about the potential shock drop this week for the Air Jordan 4 Bred Reimagined. Now that's right, it is rumored to release early this coming week. Currently it's rumored to release February 1st via shock drop. Now, the rumor is that because the last couple of shock drops that have happened for like the Reimagined line has been around 16 days before the actual official release. Now, considering the official release is February 17th for the Air Jordan 4 Bred Reimagined, that's why people are speculating that it will be down this Thursday, February 1st. Now, there was also some rumblings about possibly Wednesday as well. But like I said, be on the lookout either Wednesday or Thursday. If you're following the sneaker news over on Twitter, make sure you guys are following those channels. I'll also be posting some stuff as well in the form of shorts as soon as I find out when the actual official date and time is supposed to happen. Now, this is not unusual for a reimagined and or OG colorway to release prior to the official release. Now, Nike has shock dropped, I believe, the Lost and Founds. They shock dropped the White Cement Reimagined. They shock dropped the Royal Reimagined. They shock dropped the Satin Breds, the women's exclusives, and now they're going to be shock dropping the Air Jordan 4 Bred Reimagined. Now, the good thing about this shock drop, guys, is that there is a ton of stock rumored to be releasing for this official release. Now, it is rumored to be about 550,000 pairs. Now, not as much as these guys right here, the Lost and Found Air Jordan 1, the Chicago Reimagined right here. However, still a really sizable chunk that's going to be going down. Now, similar to this release right here for the Air Jordan 1 Lost and Found, these things are going to be tough even with a ton of stock. That's why you got to be entering in all the raffles possible. I think every major retailer is going to be dropping these, like your Finish Line, JD Sports, all the Foot Locker's Champs, Dick's Sporting Goods. All that good stuff is going to be going down, so make sure you guys are entering your raffles in for this release. It is still early, but just so you guys know, make sure you guys are entering the raffles. If you want them, it should be, you know, one of those things where if you really want them and you put in the footwork, you should be able to secure your pair. But we all know how these things go, and it is very hit or miss on certain releases. This will be one of those releases. So I just wanted to come on here real quick, let you guys know all the info going down currently in the old sneaker universe for this shock drop. The rumor mill is going crazy. We all know that how this happens, you know, on the hottest releases. But like I said, just want to come on here quick, let you guys know what's going down. So be tuned in for either Wednesday or Thursday this week. And like I said, hit the subscribe. Turn the post notification bells on for my channel because anytime that I get that official shock drop date and time, I'm going to be posting that in a form of a short to let you guys know exactly when it's going to be going down. If you guys did enjoy this video, make sure you guys are smashing that like button. And I do want to just say really quick, thank you guys so much for letting us get to 1,000 subscribers. This past weekend, we actually just surpassed 1,000 subscribers. So thank you guys so much for the support, and I cannot wait to see what's in store for this year. And like I said, guys, that's pretty much going to be it. So good luck to you if you're going to be going for these on the shock drop. Hopefully everybody who's watching gets a pair. And my name is Dylan. You guys just chill with Dylan, and I'm out. Peace.